In a world driven by innovation and care, one name stands for trust, accuracy, and progress. Hindmedico Product Pvt Ltd, a journey built on commitment and excellence.
For decades, Hindmedico has been stood for with reliability and quality. Over the years, our journey has been defined by our dedication, innovation, and commitment to excellence. What started as a vision has now transformed into a strong and trusted organization thanks to our collective efforts of our employees and the trust of our customers. Founded with the purpose of empowering better lives, we have grown into a trusted organization guided by ethics, efficiency, and expertise.
Hey there, myself Kolkata. I'm currently MD in HMP. Our vision is to be a global leader in providing a reliable solution. We aim to become the preferred choice for customers worldwide by consistently delivering superior products and services. Our goal is to expand our presence and impact across international markets while maintaining our core values and commitment to quality. We envision a future where HMP continues to inspire trust and confidence through our unwavering dedication to excellence and innovation.
I, Milon Mukherjee, being a manager of quality control and quality assurance department of our esteemed HMP brand. Our strength lies in its state-of-the-art infrastructure and steady commitment to quality. To follow the modern manufacturing process, quality control system and advanced testing qualities for accuracy and performance. We do follow the update BIS and other related standards of product and emphasize safety, durability and reliability. Our research and development team constantly working in line with modern age of technology. Hope your full support and cooperation all the time with us.
At HMP, we believe strong partnership build stronger industries. With over 1,500 plus dealers across India and trusted partners in Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Africa, Ghana, Belgium, Brazil, etc. etc. Our network connects quality products with global markets. Together, we are not just expanding our presence, we are building lasting collaborations that drive growth and innovation worldwide.